Okay, so due to a lot of requests that I got as soon as I posted the first video, I'm doing this thing with a close-up like I usually do. I did not do it in the first video. It was kind of hard to do and I was rushing because I have a million things to do, so let's do it real quick. Again, this is Eric at MotoStyles Hobby Shop RC Monster Garage, and I just want to show you all the details. Okay, so this is the new Arrma KRATON, the Extreme Basher. It's a very big, strong machine with a lot of details on it. And let's start from the very front over here. So when you look at the front of the vehicle, you can see here those two circles. Those are shock absorber. When you hit something, it will absorb the energy so you don't break the vehicle easily. Now, when you go a little bit higher, you can see this. This is actually the top of your shock tower. It's about 5mm aluminum. It's pretty beefy for what it is, and it will, when you crash, you're not gonna have to worry about this thing getting bent in easily or anything like that. Then those shocks that they did over here, they're really nice. It's very familiar from the other vehicle, the aluminum shocks, oil filled of course, coil over, adjustable. They're really cool. And then one of the details that I put in my attention is those pins. Those pins are going all around, and this is what holding here your A-arm, the top of the A-arm. You're only going to open the screw over there, this guy right there. You're going to remove it, and then you pull the pin out and you're going to change the A-arm. Then on your steering knuckles right here, they have those big ball joints, and those will be excellent when you do big jump, big crashing. You're not going to break them. This is very strong, very big. And also inside right there, you can see the CVD. They made really nice with nice bearing on it. Everything is very beefy, very strong. And then I want to show the thickness here. Look how thick this thing is. This is about half an inch of plastic. This kind of like double the size of what you're usually familiar. So when you crash, I don't think you're gonna break it. Then you have a sway bar going here all the way through, and let's see, it's coming here on the back. Those sway bar will let both sides go in a little bit. When this will gonna go up, it will pull this one a little bit more, and it's anti-roll bar. It will preventing you from rolling. It's very cool that they put it on a basher. It will help you guys a lot to do whatever you want with it. Then when we look here, we have the servo mount. This is aluminum servo mount, of course, so it's not going to flex like anything else. And right behind, it's really hard to see with everything going on, you have the servo saver. And then from there, when you back up a little bit, you can see the bottom and top brace to preventing from the body folding on you. And then right there, you can see your gear system. It's already come with a metal gear over there, and you're gonna have to put, of course, whatever motor that you want inside of this, whatever battery, whatever system. This is a basher and this is a roller, so whatever you want, you put in it. This is your build. Keep going over there, you can see like the rear differential. They did this like new drive cups over here. This is actually plastic sitting on top of the metal, and I don't know if it's actually reinforcement or they just did it to make it look cool, but it's really cool that it's there. It's have the Arrma logo and everything on it. We'll see how this is gonna work. This is your rear. This is the rear sway bar, the anti-roll bar, and then you can see like this is the top kind of what should be the A-arm, but it's just gonna be the support. Then you have a big tall shock towers on the back with the big wings that they have. And what's funny is I forgot it when I look at the other video that I did, and I say, okay, what we forgot, and look at this on the back. There is no wheelie bar. They haven't put wheelie bar on this, and I wonder why. It's kind of because those cars going to be pretty strong, and they will try, people are going to put big motors on it, so it's going to try to pop wheelie. And then when you get in closer, right there, you can see your sway bar, how the system works actually. Left and right, one will lift the other gently. And you can see how everything is big and beefy. And here again, we have those big pins that hold in the shocks together. Overall, this truck is really, really nice. Gonna be very, very strong for bashing. And go over here real quick. This is your top tower to hold the body with a shock absorbing system. I highly recommend, if you have a 3D printer, to 3D print sliders to put on top of your body, because the body eventually going to get destroyed, because it's have this, and what holding this when you crash going to be the top of the body that have absolutely nothing on it. It's just the raw Lexan. I'm going to show real quick just to explain. When you put the body back, the body don't have any sliders like on the other car, so when you flip it, this will absorb all the impact. So you really want to have two sliders over here. It will save your body, and this is a nice expensive body, so you don't want it to get messed up. Other thing that I maybe missed on the other video is, of course, your receiver box over here. It's a waterproof receiver box. I saw a couple guys arguing on one of the videos. Someone said, can I put an XLX on it? And right away someone told him, no, of course not, it's not waterproof. The waterproof and splash proof, two different things. Waterproof, you can go underwater. Splash proof, you can go in the water, but it's not going to short that easily. Be smart regarding what you get in. You're not going to go dive this thing on the water, and it's not Jesus, and it's not going to drive on top of water like other companies frauding people that they do. So just be smart about what you're doing with this. Now, one of the other things that I addressed in my other video was here. Right there, you will need to put some reinforcement. All this here on the top is really cool, really nice, but this is like an hinge. This is like something that will turn. When you crash and you bend this part over here on the base, this will not help you. So we need to make here another plate to reinforce this area over here. Couple options that I thought about. First of all is to make a big piece of aluminum just in this shape, just and bolt it here. The other thing to do is literally to make another support from here that's gonna go down from here to here, from here to there, like two other support system. Can be just be one of those control arm or something that's gonna go up just to make the body a little bit stronger. They used to do that in the older version of RC cars. And then I just want to zoom in real quick over there and show you like the rear hub with the big bearing and everything, how everything is so beefy. It will be very hard to break. Now those wheels that they did, this is a new thing that they did right now, and those wheels are pretty big, pretty strong. So this is everything that I have like right now on this vehicle. This is with all the details to show a little bit with close-up. I have a couple of those. When they're gone, they're gone. I don't know where we're gonna get more, because right now everything is like really crazy. So don't forget, like, subscribe, and share my video. This is again Eric at MotoStyle Hobby Shop in Granada Hills, just showing you all the close-up. 17540 Chatsworth Street in Granada Hills, MotoStyles Hobby Shop. Bye.